Wait, begin. No, I literally pressed it. I don't know if anyone likes server full. I knew it works in the first time. Now in the second time it doesn't. Wait, servers. Sky Rivals. Seriously, Sky Rivals. So later on. Please with the ladies I leave for now. Oh, women. Team Sugar Cane. Oh, are you kidding me? That is something. Ouch. Oh. Oh. I think I'm breaking it up. Oh. 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 Why do you have a knife to cut things? Or break things? No, 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 no. Woo. Swap, swap. Is there a swap? No, it's a swap. Shit. Break, break, knife. Made it to wood plates. What, 8 blocks? I have a plan. If we can make traps. Head hitters! Yeah, head hitters. Minecraft head hitters. Oh yeah, factory. No way. So the head hitters like this. Everyone knows what a head hitter is. You can't break that enemies, eh? Eh? Please. Boys. Oh no. What is this? I think you have to fall off. Wait, how does this work if it's gonna fall off? Eh. Ah! My god. Attack. There's another weapon box! No, that, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. No! I didn't know there's another weapon box at the bottom. Bruh. I'm third class. There's the fucking others. Oh my god. Run, run. Okay, 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 okay. Pillars, pillars, pillars. Yes, they're random. No, 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 no. I just want this thing. Why? Just the sudden. Ow. Hi, it's fun. Then push him off. Oh yeah. Never mind. It's mine. I just did. I got a gun! It's chocolate! I like having a gun. I shoot with my gun. I shoot with my gun. Dangerous. Gun. Ah, damn it! Whoa. My God, use your imagination. Shoot him. What? Someone had a gun. It's not him. Oh, it's him. Oh my God. Let's go into the server. Every time we die, we just do this. We don't like being the same server, guys. Walls. Oh, walls. Walls. Oh, this is the room thing. It just someone to get here. Give me this one. Oh, yes. Are you kidding me? Metal spray. I find a room. Yes. This is great. I just put my headphones. This is use this. Ta-da! It actually worked. Oh, that's a good trap. No one's coming there. Golden orange. Oh, they went golden apple. Ah! Push, 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 push. Can't kill someone with a knife. Stupid. Ah! Run, run. Walk away. Fuck no. can skip it. No, fuck you. Nine. No! I'm dead. Ghost red you. Where did you kill me? I just fell from the void. Fourth place. Wallet Weiser. Red and blue. 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 What the fuck is that? Oh. Make the poop sound. I don't know what's wrong because I'm making sounds. I don't know why I'm rapping because I'm in the town. Because I want to get the best server. I don't want to die from people now because I want to survive so I don't die so. Oh my server here. I need to do it. Oh my god. You will hear your race. Last game. Yes. Yes. Swap. A god. No. This is why I put. Oh. No. No. Yes. Now I open my thing. The traps. Oh, it's gonna be here. Let's say swap. 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 Yes, it worked! Swap. Swap. What swap? Swap? It says all. Roses said swap. Okay, this is the one.